there, traveler. Ready to dive into the chaos?
Stick with us, and you will be just fine. Nova, those capybaras are gonna wreck the whole alley!
Not if we stop them first. Let's move. You two aren't getting out of here that easily.
Oh, it's on now, Gecko. This is getting out of hand.
Follow my lead. I've got a crazy idea. Timing is everything. Now!
See you at the finish line, Gecko.
Thanks for sticking with us, traveler. Until next time, stay sharp and stay awesome.